12 Rules of Grammar. Rule 1. The first word of every phrase must be capitalized. Rule 2. A full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation point should be used to end each phrase. Rule 3. SVO or subject-verb-object should be in every phrase. Rule 4. The subject and verb forms are interrelated in the sentence. Rule 5. Use either or neither nor depending on the sentence while using singular nouns. Rule 6. Proper nouns should be capitalized anywhere in the sentences, including at the beginning when used. Rule 7. Common nouns should be capitalized only at the beginning of the sentences. Rule 8. Your and its are not the same terms. Rule 9. Use definite articles with all uncountable nouns, and particular definite articles with countable nouns. Rule 10. Use the article a for consonant sounds and an for vowel sounds. Rule 11. Use apostrophe to show possessions. Rule 12. In the English language, active voice is favored above passive voice. Thanks for tuning in with TinyMe TV. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.